Hey, welcome to Car Channel Help. I've got a real quick video that I wanted to share with you to maybe help you make it easier to get more subscribers. If you've ever talked to anybody about your channel and you've had to share the URL with them, it can be sometimes kind of hard to remember. It's kind of long and goofy and all of that. So if you ever send them a link to your channel, if you ever share that link with anyone, I've got a tip that'll actually help make it really easy. So if, in my example here, I've got the youtube.com/@RustRevivalGarage for my car channel. And you can tell somebody that, but it's easier if you can send them the link. But there's actually a little trick that I wanted to show you. You can add a little bit of extra to the end of that URL so that when they come to your page, it pops up and automatically says, confirm that you want to subscribe to this channel. So that basically it just shows up and they see, hey, yes, I do want to subscribe to this channel. Let me kind of show you how it works. So if you just send out this link, again, it just takes them directly to this channel, right? If you actually add a little bit at the end of it, where I've got this question mark, sub, there's a little underscore, and it says sub_confirmation equals 1. Here it is again, if you kind of wanted to get a little bit better view of it. If you add that to the end of your URL, when they click on it, and I'll show you what happens, a little pop-up box comes in, and it says, confirm that you want to subscribe. So instead of just coming to your page, they're getting let me turn off the video that automatically plays. But they're getting a little notification that says, yes, confirm that you want to subscribe to that channel. Let me show it to you again here. I'll just let the video play. But see where it says confirm channel subscription? Are you sure you want to subscribe to Rust Revival Garage? And it highlights the blue subscribe. So it's making it easy for people to subscribe without having to search around, scroll up and down your page, do something maybe that you don't want them to do. And that can delay them or distract them because they're going and looking at other videos and maybe they're going to forget to subscribe. So that's just a little tip that you want to add to the end of your handle so that you can make it easier for them to subscribe. And it's just a real quick, once again, it's a question mark, sub_confirmation equals 1. And then, so when you share that link, you can copy that link, copy the whole thing, send it to them in a text, in an email, and that will hopefully make it easier for them to subscribe. I hope that helps. The other thing I kind of wanted to touch on is your handle. If you've got a channel where you just started it up and YouTube suggested what your title would be, like you entered, I want to call this Cool Car Garage, for example. And it gave you Cool Car Garage and then added some numbers on the back of it. So, it looked like Cool Car Garage 2517, for example. Or it might be, Joe Schmo's Garage 8162. That's not very memorable. And so what I did want to show you is, and if you haven't already done this, it's something you can still do. But you want to go to youtube.com/handle. When you go there, it allows you to select and reserve the handle for your car channel. And that, if nobody else already has that handle, then you can claim it. So if there are 4 other Cool Car Garage websites on YouTube, or channels on YouTube, you can claim it if they haven't already done this. So what you do is you go to this youtube.com handle, then you select that I want Cool Car Garage. And then you might be beating out the 3 or 4 other people that might already have that. And it's a great way to reserve it so that nobody else can claim it too, in case, somebody starts a channel after you. So, do that, and then it'll be so much easier when you do say, or, you're not able to share the entire link, and you do say, hey, just go to youtube.com/@CoolCarGarage and get that handle claim. It's a lot easier for you to share and for people to know about your channel and to easily find it. I hope this helped you out a little bit. Please share this with other people with car channels. Like it if you got anything out of it. Subscribe if you haven't. Again, I'm just trying to help out anybody with a car channel who may not know some of these little tips and tricks that I've picked up over the time that I've been learning about YouTube. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we will catch you next time.